Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen, and in this video, I'm sharing how to do a at-home pedicure step by step. Let's get started. So first thing first, you want to remove any old nail polish. Take a nail polish remover as well as a cotton ball and take all of that old polish off. So once your polish is off, the next thing you want to do is soak your feet. And y'all, this is like my favorite part of a pedicure, is soaking my feet. Soaking your feet helps to soften your cuticles, helps to soften your skin. Plus, it's extremely relaxing. So you can just use regular water, or you can do it big and you can add things like Epsom salt, essential oils. You can even add vinegar. You guys know I love lavender, so I am adding some lavender salt as well as some lavender essential oil, and because I'm extra, some lavender wash. Now you can just use regular water. You can soak your foot in the tub. You can soak your foot in anything you choose. I personally love my foot soaked because I can use bubbles with it. It heats up the water. It has lights, and it really makes you feel like you're at a salon but at home. And listen, we do a lot, so if you can, pour you a glass of wine so you can sip on your wine while you soak your feet. I'm telling you, it's well worth it. It's so relaxing, y'all. So once you have soaked your feet, you want to follow up by clipping your toenails and filing your toenails. Ooh, girl, my toes look rough, but we're gonna get my feet together. We're gonna get them together, okay? So you want to clip your toenails, and you also want to shape them. And you want to make sure when you are cutting your toenails or you are filing them down that you file straight across as well as cut your toenails straight across, because if you don't, that can result in ingrown toenails, and you do not want that. So make sure that you are filing and cutting your nails straight across. Next up, it's time to say goodbye to crusty toes. So you want to push back your cuticles, you know, that white crust around your toes. So you want to push it back and then trim if need be. And basically all I'm doing is I'm just cleaning my toenails and then, you know, cleaning up the cuticles. You want to make sure that you're pushing them back and you're not cutting them unless you really need to. And just to let you guys know, I do have directions on this pedicure on my blog, briannaqueen.com. So there are all types of things you can do to soften your feet. You can use sock masks, which are basically like little foot socks. You can also use scrubs. You can use foot masks. Listen, they have them all. So no matter how rough or dry your feet is, they do have all types of things to help soften your feet. You can make your own foot scrub with ingredients like salt and oil or sugar and oil, but basically by exfoliating your feet, you're going to help get rid of dead skin cells, improve circulation, as well as help give your feet that nice soft baby glow that who doesn't want that, right? I'm also going in with a foot file and foot scraper, and this is so necessary if you wear heels, if your feet tend to get, you know, really hard and you really want them to be really soft. I definitely highly recommend getting a foot file or foot scraper. It's going to help remove those dead skin cells, and it's going to also help make your feet softer. Just make sure you're not too aggressive with it. Y'all, we are almost done with this at-home pedicure. The next step is moisturizing your feet using some type of foot lotion. You can also use, you know, your own foot lotion like coconut oil, mint oil, shea butter. You can mix in your own, but I like to I'm lazy, y'all. I just buy stuff online. So I'm just using some foot lotion, and then I'm also ensuring to kind of like give myself a little mini foot massage. Foot massages help to like increase the blood circulation as well as help the lotion to really absorb into your skin. So I highly recommend combining like a little mini foot massage when you do apply any type of lotion. And last but not least, it's time to paint your toenails if you choose to paint your toes. I was debating really hard on to paint my toes white or red, but I decided white since it's kind of like the summertime. So go ahead and paint your toes. Make sure you use a base as well as a colored varnish, optional, as well as a top coat to get them super shiny. And I'm also using toe separators because I am a very messy painter. So this is how to give yourself a at-home pedicure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it can help you guys out. I know for me, I am at home. I'm not going to any type of salon or spa. So I have to kind of do my feet myself, and I don't really want quarantine toes. Be sure to check out my blog post for even more tips on giving yourself an at-home pedicure. Additionally, I do have a free beginner beauty guide on my website, briannaqueen.com. I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Stay healthy, happy, beautiful, and blessed, as well as safe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.